I'm gonna teach you how to start a fire with one match and Mother Nature. So the first thing that we're gonna do is collect our actual fire starter. What are you gonna light with the match? Because if you took a match and tried to light your small material, it will not work. So you need to find small stuff if you're only gonna use a match. What I'm gonna use is pine needles. If they're not wet, they're a great fire starter. So, I went out and collected my wood. I got my pine needles, my small stuff, and my medium stuff. Now let's get ready to make a fire. Alright, I got my match, I got my fire starter, I'm ready to start a fire. And, quick tip, matches never strike off rocks. You gotta use the striker that they come with. Let that catch for a second. Starting to burn through. Starting to burn. There we go. Get your small stuff. Let that burn. Get your medium ready. Start setting your medium on. Let it burn. There you go, guys. That is how you start a fire with a match and Mother Nature. Now, where I learned to do this was actually a book called Bushcraft Kid. You can check me out in this book, and it teaches you a lot of stuff about the wilderness. So check me out in the book. Like, subscribe. See you all next time, and remember to stay like a little dude.